Toyota Guest Mode is a privacy feature available in Toyota vehicles from 2020 onwards. It allows temporary users to access the infotainment system without permanently altering the owner's personalized settings. Guest Mode protects your privacy, provides temporary access to navigation and media features, and keeps guest settings completely separate from your personal preferences. There are 4 reliable methods to switch back from guest mode to your personal profile. Let's explore each one. Method 1 is the most direct approach. Access the main menu on your infotainment display and look for the user or profile icon, typically located in the top corner. Select your named profile from the drop-down menu, and the system will automatically restore all your personalized settings. Method 2 uses the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings or Setup in the main menu, then select User Settings or Profile Management. Choose Switch User and select your primary profile from the available options. Method 3 is available in newer Toyota models with voice recognition. Simply use voice commands like switch to your name's profile or exit guest mode for hands-free switching. Method 4 is a system reset approach. Turn off the vehicle completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart. In most cases, this automatically returns the system to the primary profile. These 4 methods ensure you can always return to your personal profile from guest mode. The profile icon method is typically the fastest, while the vehicle restart serves as a reliable backup option when other methods aren't available. Recent updates have significantly enhanced Toyota Guest Mode with advanced integrations and improved performance. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 now works seamlessly with Guest Mode, maintaining all safety protocols while allowing temporary users full access to the infotainment system. Over-the-air updates have revolutionized the Guest Mode experience. The user interface has been simplified with more intuitive visual cues, and profile switching time has been dramatically reduced from 15 to 20 seconds down to just 5 to 8 seconds. Looking toward the future, Toyota is exploring cutting-edge biometric authentication technologies. Fingerprint and facial recognition systems are being developed to enable seamless profile switching without any manual input from users. Artificial intelligence and cloud connectivity are transforming the guest mode experience. AI-powered personalization will predict user preferences, while cloud synchronization allows profiles to work across multiple Toyota vehicles. Enhanced support for multi-user households and subscription service integration are also in development. The adoption of guest mode has been remarkable. Approximately 78% of Toyota vehicles sold in 2024 include guest mode functionality, demonstrating Toyota's commitment to personalized driving experiences and user privacy.